Well, the drum circle showcase brought us many interesting feelings, but two specials that I'd like to highlight is engagement, because everybody felt so engaged and empowered, because we all felt very empowered, because we could do things that we believed we couldn't before. It was really interesting to see the way everybody realized that there was a space for everyone, there is a place for everyone, and we could put into practice what we were learning as the teacher was guiding us. And when we put everything together, we saw the result.
With this workshop, it brought me memories back to when I was in college, because I always thought that I didn't have rhythm. And I have this class that we have to do something related to rhythm, and I felt that was awful. I was always failing, and I didn't have this kind of teacher that could put me up and try like make me feel like that I could do more.
Foi muito legal a experiência. Eu gosto muito de música, mas eu sou péssima percussionista. Depois dessa aula, eu senti um fio de esperança. Senti que eu também consigo ser percussionista, só estudar um pouquinho. Muito legal.
And within this workshop today, I felt that I was part of a group, because I saw that my teacher was there, helped me, guiding me, and he was like telling me what to do. So I felt confident and I felt part of a group, a team.
So it was really amazing to see the teachers, how encouraged they were and how empowered we felt. Thank you, Jose. It was amazing.
It was everybody doing their own rhythm, but when we got together, we made it into a big group. So it was awesome.
Brincante, lúdico, comprometimento e despertar o ritmo em nós. Nós dançamos, brincamos, demos risada e aprendemos de que cada um tem o seu ritmo, cada um tem o seu modo de expressar. Show! Parabéns, Hélio!